Alrighty, we are back with example number 5, and if you look at the notes, it says that this problem has no solution. See if you can figure out why. So if we had been in class, I would have put this up and let you guys try to figure it out without me walking you through it. But unfortunately, since we're not in class, I'm hoping that you gave it a try first, but here we go. Let's go through this together just to make sure everyone's on the same page. Alright, so start it the same way as we always do, factor whatever we can, and then go through and find our least common denominator. So this right here, this binomial is GCF factoring. This is x times x minus 2. This is just x minus 2, no factoring there. This is an x, no factoring there. Okay. So least common denominator. Let's try to keep our color scheme the same. Least common denominator is equal to, I've got an x and an x minus 2. This one I've got an x minus 2, which is already contained, so I don't need it again. And then this one is just an x, which is already right there, already contained. So our least common denominator is just x times x minus 2. Right? So that means x is not allowed to equal either 0 or positive 2 from doing this factor equal to 0 and that factor equal to 0. All right. So let's see what happens when we go through and try solving. All right, so this first one doesn't need to be modified because it already has the common denominator. So I'm just going to copy down that 10. Okay. What do we need to multiply this by to get it to be x times x minus 2? We need to multiply this by x. So that 5 is going to become a 5x minus. Okay. And then over here, we have the x. We're missing this x minus 2. So I'm going to write minus 4 times x minus 2. And once again, super important. Don't forget to distribute that subtraction sign, okay? So it's, sorry, there's a seam on my board here, but we're looking at distributive property there, okay? So just watch out for that. So we really have 10 equals 5x minus 4x plus 8, okay? So combine like terms, we've got 10 equals x plus 8, subtract the 8 to the other side, and we get x equals 2. All right, so there's our answer, x equals 2. So now my question is, well, why did I tell you there was no solution? I bet some of you have already figured it out. We have a solution, but it's a domain restriction right there. So that means that this, in fact, has no solution. Okay, there is no solution to this. All right. There's no number that you can plug into this that will actually work out to a true statement. All right, so no solution. And that is your final example. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck with your homework.